This video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly problem in Microsoft Word. So as you can see, Grammarly is currently up and running. So when you go over to your Microsoft Word right here, you should be able to find right here your Grammarly. This is in presentation of this particular widget. When you click onto this number right here, as you can see, something is wrong. So what we can do instead is we can head over to this option right here that can show our hidden icons. You can see in here your Grammarly, so click on it, and you can see in here this option to quit Grammarly. So click onto this quit Grammarly, and then next thing is to reopen it in order to see if it will solve your problem. Alternatively, you can also go over to the Grammarly settings and make sure that Microsoft Word is currently not on the block list. As you can see, it's not on the block list for mine. So in order to apply all of the changes that Grammarly actually suggests is you can click on tab on your keyboard and it should be able to apply those changes. You can click onto this icon right here. And alternatively, if it doesn't actually solve your problem, you can also contact support for assistance. Click onto this hyperlink right here, then it will direct you to the support.grammarly.com, and then just input right here your actual problem and it should be able to solve it. That's how you add or that's how you fix Grammarly problem in Microsoft Word. Be help?